Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks. We are super excited to have an unboxing for you today. So I know I have been a little lacking on the boxes lately. Life has gotten a little hectic. I've been traveling, work's been crazy. So I'm really trying hard to get back on track for you all. So I do have an unboxing for you today. Yay! Bad Habit Boutique Addicted Box unboxing for you. It is the January box. So Wyatt is so excited, right? Is that your excited face? Is that your excited face? It's not a bark box, but so this isn't really his really excited face, but he's excited, right? Yes. Zena's here too. You want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Zena is excited, but that's because she knows there's treats in the room, right? So we all have our priorities. So Bad Habit Boutique Addicted Box, they do send you an email letting you know what the concept for the box is. You can decide to opt in. It is not automatic. The longer you wait, the price of the box goes up. So I believe it starts around $99 and then goes to $119 and so forth. I believe that I paid $119 for this one. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. Let's check it out. You excited, Z? Are you excited? Huh? You excited? You want to find out what it is? So what do you think? Let me see if I can even get into this box. It's taped shut really good here. So maybe I can't even get in. Oh, did it. Okay. All right, and then you pick your size, small, medium, or large, and let them know. And if you have any notes, you can put in notes. So, oh, I paid $109 for this one. Okay. So you must go $99, $109, $119, and goes up the longer you wait. The box is $159. So if you wait long enough, then that's how much it is until they sell out. So here's the inside of my box. Looks cool. And let's check what's in here. Looks exciting. So first up is a pair of Smart Tip. Look at the pups. Like they're totally into this, wanting to check out what is in here. So they think maybe there's something good in here for them. They're excited. Smart Tip touchscreen compatible gloves. Check these out. CC exclusives. They have the little faux fur right here. So that means that the index finger must be touchscreen compatible. I don't really see anything, but okay. That looks like fun. Those are cute. I put on this big gaudy ring today, so that's what you were seeing sticking out of there. All right, next up is a hat. Check that out. Wyatt already thinks it's a toy. He tried to grab my last hat. So this is a cruelty-free fashion, PETA-approved vegan faux fur. And who is this by? David and Young. Very cute. Next is it looks like a t-shirt. Oh, what? Wyatt took the hat. Wyatt, no, you can't have the hat. He just tried to steal it. Okay, next. By Canvas. Bella Canvas is a shirt. Here, check that out. It says, kinda wanna work out, kinda wanna take a nap. Isn't that so true? Now look how long this is. This is cute. So I like this. It's super soft. It's very long. I love that. Next, something very soft. These look like leggings, like pajama type leggings. So these are by J Village. These are one size. One size, so it must be super stretchy. Check those out. So these are leggings. I feel like I would not wear these outside of my house, and these stripes don't line up. I would wear these to bed. Next, what is this? This is by Show Sport. And these look like another pair of leggings. Yes, and what size are these? Size small. Check these out. All right, so these look like almost like a workout legging to me, because see how they have the mesh? Can you see that mesh in there? And then they have almost like a camo sheer. So that's cute. Cute. All right, and last item in here is a little white pullover by Blushing Heart, and it has a hoodie. It's very soft also. Look how cute that is. So I feel like this is like cozy sleep and workout wear. What do you guys think? Because this feels like workout wear to me. And it does say Show Sport, so that tells me this is like workout wear. This feels like sleepwear to me, right? Like I would sleep in this. And the gloves and hat I could probably use today because it's 17 degrees outside. So that's my box. What do you think, Zay? Should I do a try on? I don't think she cares. Let's do a quick try on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the first outfit. This is a cute little, very soft, like sheer-like sweater that, with the hood and the strings, very, very soft. And I had a tank on underneath it, so I do have, I left it on because I do think this would be sheer and see-through. And the leggings are super soft. They are one size, so obviously they would stretch, but they are very, very, very soft. So this totally feels like a stay in front of the fireplace, watching movies kind of outfit. Very soft, very cozy, very comfortable. I would not wear these leggings out in public. So the fact that I'm trying them on for you says a lot. I actually don't like the striping on them. I feel like it makes my legs look wider, and I don't like that they're not lined up. So anyway, but I do think I would wear them to bed. I would wear them around the house, nice and cozy. But aside from that, I would not wear them out the house. This sweater, this little pullover is cute. I would wear this out. It's a nice little pullover. Yeah, and it would be cute with jeans or black leggings. Yeah, you could do a lot with it, so that's cute. So let's try on the t-shirt and the black leggings. Okay, second outfit is this cute, very long t-shirt. I like the saying. It's very long. Covers your whole butt if you want it to here. So you can keep it more loose or a little bit longer. I like the color as well. And I did put it on with a pair of wedge sneakers because I do feel like these are more of an athletic type workout legging. So I do think that they're very cute. Let me show you. So they do have, they're black at the top, and then they do come down and have this mesh piece here, and then they turn into camo from this point down. So the whole way from the knee down to the ankle. They are a little bit long on me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they are a little long in the ankle, a little bit long for me, so they're kind of a little bit bunched up at the very bottom. But other than that, they do fit pretty well. I think they're cute. They do, yeah, they have a nice thick band here at the top. They're a nice fabric. I think they're very cute. The mesh goes the whole way around here in the back. So it starts up here and circles the whole way around to the back, which you guys can probably see better than I can. So I think those are cute. All right. I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. So what did you guys think? Zena's searching for treats, and she had treats at every break. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Okay, so I thought these leggings with the sheer mesh and the camo were very cute for workout leggings. Again, probably wouldn't wear them out for, you know, normal clothing wear, like normal wear, but I would wear them for workout. So I thought they were cute. The t-shirt, I like the saying it's cute. I don't wear a lot of t-shirts, but to work out, I would wear it. Cute. The pullover's cute. It is shedding a little bit, so hopefully that stops. It's just doing it because it's new, but very soft. These are pajamas to me. Won't wear them outside of my house, so can't believe I tried them on for you. They are super, super soft though. Okay, the gloves, always a good thing. You can never have enough gloves, especially when I spend my life in a hockey rink, so they come in handy. And Wyatt's favorite thing, the hat, which I didn't try on for you, but very similar to the hat I got in last month's box, which I did try on for you guys, but I am getting ready to leave the house and don't want to have to redo my hair for after I try this on. But this is cute as well. Love the faux fur here. So, $109 I paid for, 6 pieces. So I don't think it's too bad, right? I don't think it's too bad. Yeah. So I will put all the information down below in case you guys want to check it out. I did not do the February box, so I won't have a box for you for then. The concept is cute, but it just wasn't my style. So I did not sign up for the February box, but I will keep checking them out. I love that you can look at the concept boxes first before you decide whether or not you want to sign up to get the box. So that's awesome. It's not automatic, and it's your choice every time. So I really enjoy that. And I think they're fun boxes to try. They are yours to keep. It's not a try before you buy. You pay for them up front, and it's yours to keep once you get it. So, what'd you think, Z? She doesn't care. She just wants more treats. More, right? So thank you so much for taking some time and joining me and my sleepy sidekicks here. So, please, 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 we would love it if you would give us a like for this video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the fun. We do lots of fun unboxings, right? Yep. Outfit of the day videos and reviews. And there's a bark box coming. Yes, with an extra additional surprise we're going to add into it. Right, guys? Yes. So please, please, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We love the support. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.